Has Amber Heard's wealth disappeared as a result of the court case drama? As a result of one of the most widely watched court cases in recent memory, Amber Heard has become the victim of numerous hate campaigns. But now that Johnny Depp has won, everyone is equally interested in the consequences. While many people are thrilled for Depp, others are upset for Heard. Even now, people are speculating about the precedent that this case might create for how future court cases involving domestic violence will be handled. Whether you're on Depp's side or Heard's, it's evident that people are divided about which side is worth protecting. Has Amber Heard's whole wealth been destroyed as a result of the sensational case? What will the actress do next? Here is all the information you require. It's no secret that Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's relationship was rocky. The two Hollywood A-listers started dating in 2012 after meeting on the set of The Rum Diary in 2009. In the same year, Depp and his longtime partner Vanessa Paradis called it quits on their 14-year union. When Johnny Depp and Amber Heard wed in 2015, it appeared to be a fairy tale come true. But it didn't take long for their relationship to begin to falter. Heard and Depp divorced after only a year, claiming their irreconcilable differences. Additionally, she secured a temporary restraining order against him after accusing him of abusing her physically while they were married. The two have since been embroiled in a contentious court dispute, with each side accusing the other of exaggerating the severity of the assault. Johnny Depp has adamantly refuted all allegations of abuse and has even filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard as a result of her scathing op-ed. "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath," which was published in the Washington Post. That needs to alter. The defamation trial against Amber Heard and Johnny Depp began on April 11, 2022 in Fairfax County, Virginia. Heard's lawyers focused on Depp's prior drug and alcohol usage, text messages, and recordings while Depp's attorneys presented proof of Heard's alleged abuse. They asserted that Depp committed the acts of violence. Amber Heard spoke out on how others have perceived her after she spoke out. She claims that ever since the trial began, she has received several death threats. "It has consumed enough of my voice to keep the secret that I did for as long as I did," Heard claims. "I've had enough of Johnny taking away my voice and my freedom to share my experience. I am entitled to share what occurred. As an American, I am entitled to discuss what transpired to me, to be true to myself and my narrative." The verdict from the jury in Johnny Depp's defamation case against Amber Heard is in Johnny Depp's favor. Depp received $5 million in punitive damages and $10 million in compensatory damages, according to the jury's unanimous decision. Amber Heard has had a few successful Hollywood roles, and her net worth is $2.5 million. She tried to challenge the court's judgment after they found in favor of Depp, but this month she decided not to. Heard wrote on Instagram about how the court's ruling had left her speechless. "I have been imprisoned in an expensive and time-consuming judicial procedure for far too long, and it has repeatedly failed to defend my interests or my freedom of speech. I cannot afford to take the chance of incurring an impossible debt, one that is not only psychological, but also physical, emotional, and financial. Women shouldn't have to worry about being abused or going bankrupt for expressing their truth, but regrettably, it happens frequently."